M0FXB is 2025, and we've got the Flex 1500. You can see the brochure in the background. Let's install the KE9 November Sierra 2.8.0 software and really enjoy this little 5-watt SDR. Now, I have got an ATU and I've got a 50-watt micro PA amplifier, so we're gonna have some fun with this. But standard, it's 5 watts. Now, this is the device at the front. It's going to quickly show you around it and how to connect it. But it comes with a Yaesu mic that's connected just here. Printer square cable here. There's your power on off, and my antenna is on a BNC adapter. Some people say these are loose, but mine isn't. I don't think it's been used very much, to be honest. So BNC with an angle going up to SO239. That's your 10 megahertz connection where it helps stabilize the frequency, I believe. Transverter connections there. Power, normal DC power, which is turned off at the moment. They recommend you do that when you install the software. So we're ready to go. You've got a ground just there. So you can see there we've got a Kia connection there as well, and headphones. So it's a very light, compact unit. You know, you can hold it in one hand easily. So now over to the software just here on the right hand side. A couple of things we need to do, but the first thing is just scroll down to the orange square, and you only load this really once. Then after that you're loading the green one, which is the update. So but the initial is version 2.8.0302. So this is going to literally install everything for you, but there is a compatibility selection here, and you do have to put your computer into high power mode. So let's just do one thing at a time. We're going to click download here, and it shall put it up to our downloads folder while that installs. So then it will show up. Right click it and go show in folder. Then right click and go to properties. More options here. Go to properties, and you just want to make sure you have gone compatibility. Look, run, and then tick that box, choose Windows 7 and click apply and OK. That's good. We will change the high power thing as well. So open up your control panel. Just start, if you can't see it, just start to type control, okay? And then click the control panel. And you'll see here, we can change this to category into icons. And then just find the one called power, okay? There's mine here, power, click. And then mine already says high performance. You've got a down arrow here. Just click it and click high performance. Of course it uses more power, but you definitely want to select that. Now go back to the shortcut of the Power SDR. So back to it. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go show in folder. Then I'm going to run it, okay? Run it like that. Right click and I'm going to go run as administrator. Click yes. Get the usual black and white screen. And it tells you to make sure you've got everything turned off, of course. And we're going to go okay. Keep going. Accept the terms. Next, next, next. Create shortcut. Install. There is quite a serious reboot you have to do before you turn on the device. So at the moment, although I've got my antenna connected, the mic's connected, the USB is connected to the PC, it's turned off. And during this process, all drivers are installed, your instruction manual, everything you need is installed. Then it's just about learning how to actually use Power SDR. And now it says it's going to install Power SDR transfer, data transfer. Okay. So it's installing all kinds of stuff. Remember, you can use FT8, WSJTX. I'm pretty sure you can use N1MM on this because it's a computer-based platform. Set up as finished installing Power SDR. Finish. Then it moves on. Right. Now it wants to restart the computer. So let's turn it on now. That's on. And now we're going to go to the shortcut. I just put it here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click again. I want to run as administrator. Click yes and do as I'm told. It says running one-time optimization. Please wait patiently for this process to finish, typically 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to go OK. And now this is appearing. Like so. We're waiting. I actually hear the device clicked. It says retrieving calibration. Ooh. If you choose to use your radio for mobile operation, adjust all settings and operation parameters while the vehicle is at a complete stop. Comply with traffic laws. Okay, will do. Oh, that's it. So that's quick. I'll minimize the actual device, but you can see it's just flashing. It's just got a blue light on it. I mean, there's not much else to it, is there? So we can resize this. I'm just sort of resizing it before I start to fire it up, just by clicking up and down. I saw a useful video of someone telling me to turn on the VAX, is it? VAC. So thanks to that station, I'm going to go setup. And the one that the station said was to click, otherwise you won't hear anything. It's audio, and click VAC there. And just enable VAC, otherwise you literally won't hear anything. And look, you notice here we've got sound input for recording and output. Okay. I'm noticing here, look, input, and it's actually got virtual cable set up to and from PC selections there for A and B. So let's just press start. We'll close this window. I mean, the settings to me are just like My Home's Like 2, virtually identical. And look, you've got spacebar, hold to PTT, spacebar, latch on off, and you've got choices there as well. General, audio, display settings. And so let's just close that for now and just click start. Get you so you can hear our audio on our PC. Okay, we're up and running. I need to tinker a little bit, get to know it. But you can see here on the right hand side, we're able to choose our different bands, like so. And beneath that, different modes, AM, so on. And here we can adjust the bandwidth here, and also here. Where is it? Go back to 40, USB 3.3. TX selected there. I'm finding I could hear a bit better if I went AGC medium plus 20, but we'll have to, we'll have a little tinker with that. We've got a squelch adjustment here. If we hit we can turn the VAC off. See the VAC here? Goes off. And it goes quiet. And then you've got RIT, XIT, AF. So I'm going to watch some videos of people, doing the settings that work the best, and then come back and make more videos. Noise reduction I found was very good. Really did reduce. And see I've got the waterfall and the scope. I chose here pan fall 80/20, but you can just have waterfall, you can have spectrum, there's all kinds you can choose. Back to the original pan adapter, and then pan 4 there. So have a little tinker, give me some tips. Look, I'm doing this and this here, just moving these sliders. So you've got zoom, and then here mic settings and SWR. I think we need to get at the moment it's only showing power meter, but I'm sure we could probably, well, I know we could choose SWR. MOX is your transmit. 1 2 test. And yeah, I don't want to go too much on that because I don't really know what my SWR is. I might get my antenna tuner in line. It's only 5 watts. And then, you know, playing around with your AGC is going to make a difference. And obviously being around when there's activity. That's a big one. If we go to 20 and then choose up sideband there. And have a little play. Thanks for watching my channel. I think that's enough for now. Just sort of really it's installing it and basic selections. And I'll come back when I'm to see if we can get a contact on this. Bye for now.